using the group control feature for air conditioners on the LG ThinQ app. If you own 2 or more LG air conditioners, you can use the group control feature on the ThinQ app. Group control allows you to control multiple air conditioners by bundling them up together. Please note that this feature may not be supported depending on your model. Things to check before using the air conditioner's group control feature. Check whether the wireless router is powered on and if the ThinQ app is installed on your mobile device. Let's find out how to use the group control feature. Open the ThinQ app on your mobile device. Tap the plus button on the home screen. Then tap Group Products. Enter group name. From the list of available products, select the air conditioners that you want to bundle up as a group. If you press Save, a group card will be added to the home screen. If you press the added group card, you can control and check the status of all air conditioners that are in the group. You can select and use them one by one if you want.